everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am talking about Glamnetic. So straight up, this is what the products turned up at my door in. How cool. Like, I was so excited when I saw this parcel sitting on my doorstep. But the amazing team, I do just want to say a big thank you to them for reaching out and sending me these products. So I have a couple of press-on nails and also magnetic eyelashes, which I am so excited to try. I have never tried magnetic eyelashes before. I'm not a real, eyelashes girl, so we will see the difference and if they work or if they don't, if you are a makeup, not a professional at all. So starting with the nails. So I got two sets of nails, which I cannot find. Here. Okay, so starting with this set. So it's a little bit reflective. This is called the Winter Storm set. Again, packaging, cutest thing ever. What's also amazing with Glamnetic nails, they come with the alcohol pad to wipe down your nails first. They have obviously the nails. They have the glue, a file, and the little cuticle thing to push your cuticles back. Now, again, even with nails, I'm not a real nail girl. I'm not your typical girly girl at all. So I don't know if these are gonna look any good on me, but this is what this one looks like. So it's like a really neutral color and then it has silver glitter on the end. They are in an almond shape. So it's gonna look like something like this, which is so out of my comfort zone, but I thought I'm gonna try it in that sort of neutral colorway and see how we go. The next set I got is like a French tip. These are called the Madame. So that's cute. Again, it comes with everything and I'm sure you can see these. So again, in the almond shape, but French tip, so again, super neutral. The lashes, now I actually tried to film this video. I haven't tried on the lashes yet, but I did cut them. So one of these, this one, is the one I'm going to be using today in the video. Virgo, these are called. I have cut these already. I don't know if I've cut them correctly because, again, I have no idea what I'm doing, but can we just appreciate the packaging? Super cute. So Virgo, again, which I said we will be using today. This is called the Verified set. And can I just say, these are definitely out of my comfort zone. Like, they are a lot longer than I feel like I would feel comfortable with. These ones, how cute is this? This is the XOXO ones. I am obsessed with this packaging. Like, this to me is next level, and these lashes, like, these look quite natural, so I feel like I'm gonna like these ones the most. I actually do have some events coming up, so if I can get these to work, then this is the perfect timing to have received these. I also got the Glamnetic eyeliner and also the lash grabber just to put them on a little bit easier. So again, I have no idea what I'm going to do and how to get these on, but I've just come home from work, so I do have makeup on, but we're going to darken it a little bit. So we're just gonna go a touch darker, freshen it up, and then we are going to try and put the lashes on. So I just got makeup all over me. I also feel like you probably shouldn't really put the eyeliner over another eyeliner. It might work better with it just directly on your eye. But this is called experimenting. So I'm gonna get the lashes ready. So as you can see, I cut a little bit off. I've cut like 2 little ends, basically 1 anchor off. And yeah, this is what the eyeliner looks like. So it's just a felt tip pen, which I do use an eyeliner quite similar. I'm gonna try without the lash grabber. I'm sorry for the reflecting as well. So my is it sticking? Did I just put an eyelash on? I'm kind of confused. Oh my god, if I did, I'm confused. That was too easy. Like, I'm not kidding you. I actually have no idea what I'm doing. But why does that look like? I mean, I literally might watch this back and be like, oh my god, it looks so bad. But, oh my god, I feel like I just did it. This eyeliner also, it just goes on like a dream. Like, honestly, it is so good. I've seen tutorials and people like go. Honestly, I am blown away. This is my new favorite accessory, 100%. Like, what a difference. Oh my god. This one, the end just needs a little bit more, and I totally know that, but I just don't want to have to move the whole lash. But you guys, if you are looking for eyelashes, look no further. Honestly, this is insane. I can't believe that this works. I'm gonna do a test to see if they stick in wind. So I'm gonna take you into my bathroom. I know that this is like a little bit weird, a little bit vlog style, but what we're gonna do so I have my Dyson. We're gonna put it on the lowest setting and see if these fly in the wind, okay? Okay, so low setting. They didn't move. Oh my god. My eyes hurt so much, but they didn't move. Okay, we're gonna go up and test, because surely these magnets can't be that like secure. I'm obsessed. I know that this one's hanging off a little bit, but this eye is perfect. All right, so we're gonna do 2, maybe 3. All right, ready? it is my fault. I'm blown away. So my final thoughts, is this product worth it? 100% yes. Surprisingly so easy to apply. The only thing is obviously, like with this eye, I keep mentioning it, you need to make sure that obviously there is eyeliner for the magnet to stick to, and yes, you do need to be like decent at doing eyeliner, otherwise how are you going to get the straight line? Like that does definitely matter. But I am absolutely blown away. I'm so glad I did that like wind test as well, because I just wouldn't think that they are that strong, these magnets, to keep your eyelashes in place in that much wind. So I am super impressed. Packaging 10 out of 10, products 10 out of 10. I am honestly blown away. I haven't tried the nails yet, but I am super excited to, and I definitely will keep you guys updated with that. But thank you again to Glamnetic. I am so excited you guys reached out. Also because this is a product that I generally just would assume that I can't use because I'm not really into eyelashes. I've always had quite bad experiences with trying to put the glue on and then it just goes everywhere and it's a mess. So I don't really reach or buy or use eyelashes at all, but this system is honestly the best thing that I have ever tried in the lash world. So again, thank you. I am so excited to have tried this and share it with you, and I hope you found this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.